Assalamualaikum and Salam Satu Malaysia. Welcome back to the lecture for the course CBPM 4103 IT Project Management. So far, we have covered two project lifecycle stages, which are initiation and planning. We have two more to cover, project monitoring and controlling, and the last one is project closure or termination. In this session, we will go through the project monitoring and controlling. What is it exactly? Also, we will touch quality management and how it can help project managers in doing project monitoring and controlling. Therefore, by the end of the session, you should be able to describe project monitoring, describe project controlling, and explain project quality management. You will monitor and measure project progress from time to time. To monitor it, first thing that you need to do is to gather the project information so that any deviation or delay in the project progress to be detected. If this happens, you need to take necessary actions or corrective measures to get the project back on track. As the project manager, you have the power to control your project by directing, supervising, and keeping the project in order. As projects are prone to slippages in schedule and budget, it is a good practice to divide system development work into small projects that are more manageable. For effective management, the project goals need to be clearly understood by all parties. So, do not get caught by starting before project goals are clear and agreed by all the parties concerned. The role of a project leader is crucial to the project success. So, this person must be of the right mix of knowledge and skills, especially with management-related skills, technical-related skills, and human relations-related skills. Careful planning is needed before you can control the project successfully. A project plan needs to be reasonably detailed, but not too excessive, as you will later need to replan in cases of unforeseen changes taking place. Based on the plan produced, progress should be regularly monitored to see if there are deviations from the plan. As part of project monitoring and controlling, quality management plays a vital role. What is quality? Quality can be referred to conformance to requirements and fitness for use. Conformance to requirements means IT system is developed as per the requirements given by the system users. So it can meet their expectations. Meanwhile, fitness for use means the system can be used as it is intended by the users. The purpose of project quality management is to ensure that the project will satisfy the needs for which it was undertaken. Project management involves meeting or exceeding stakeholder needs and expectations. It includes creating and following policies and procedures in order to ensure that a project meets the defined needs it was intended to meet. Project quality management involves three main processes. First, quality planning. Second, quality assurance. Third, quality control. Quality planning is to determine a plan for quality. It is also to identify all relevant standards for the quality of the product of the project and for quality of the project management efforts. Quality assurance is to determine whether standards are being met, the work is continuously improved, and deficiencies corrected are parts of quality assurance. It also includes identifying improvements that the organization needs to make. In the real world, this might include such actions as recommending certain practices, equipment, or other problems be fixed so as to not impact your project. Quality control looks at specific measurements to see if the project and its processes are in control. Quality control results in recommended changes, corrective and preventive actions, and defect repair to integrated change control. In software development projects, one of the biggest challenges is when dealing with project teams. And as a project manager, the ability to encourage effective group working and decision making while giving purposeful leadership is highly needed. There are three main concerns in team management, which are staff selection, staff development, and staff motivation. So you are required to select the best persons who can work with you. However, if you require the best persons, you also have to provide the best rewards in order to motivate them to work in your project. Donald McGregor believed that all workers fit into one of two groups, Theory X and Theory Y. Theory X, managers who accept this theory believe that people need to be watched every minute. People are incapable, avoid responsibility, and avoid work whenever possible. Theory Y, managers who accept this theory believe that people are willing to work without supervision and want to succeed. People can direct their own efforts. As shown here, you can see Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Maslow's message is, people do not work for security or money. They work to contribute and to use their skills. Maslow calls this self-actualization. He created a pyramid to show how people are motivated and said that one cannot move to the next level until the levels below are fulfilled. So, we have covered a lot of things in this session, starting from project monitoring and controlling. Besides, how we can manage quality and people in projects. I think that's all at the moment. Till I see you again, thank you and have a nice day.